like you. So I'm gonna do that now. I love you like crazy. And I don't think anybody understands it like you, but like your friend is saying, oh, cheat. Oh, yeah, motherfucker, cheat. You know I'm not, because the most content with you. And I think I'll never be able to do that. No, it's like trading in a fucking Hot Pocket for a piece of shit. I don't want a piece of shit. I want my Hot Pocket. Hot Pockets taste great. You know what I'm saying? I know I'm not the nicest guy, but I never just do anything like that. No, no, I don't. I do love you though. And I think that's one thing to understand. Just like you love me, and I get that. You love me a lot. You do so much for me. A lot. You do way too much for me. Sometimes I think you do a billion times more than I do. And remember, I don't know, ever since this whole anniversary thing started coming, you really like stepped up your romantic game. So like I'm usually the romantic one, but you, girl, you've been on lovey dovey lately, and I love it. I love you. Um, Good night. Or something, I don't know. I get nervous when I talk to you still. After a year, and I'm still a little kid whenever I talk to you on Skype or something. But you love me, so I think you accept it. Mwah. I love you. I'll see you right now. I'm still the best of you. You know I do. Mwah.